even when things go to plan, it doesn't mean it will be great or you'll be happy or successful. And this reminded me of a speech from Jim Carrey where he said his father did the things in his career that he didn't want to do and he was unhappy and unsuccessful. And Jim said, if that could happen, then I might as well do what I want to do. So there's a lot of things we cannot plan and we cannot control if or when we're gonna be successful or satisfied or happy. But the thing we can control is ourselves and our actions, what we choose to do.